Welcome to Brain Vision.
Hello friends, as shown in the figure, there is a system of 4 gates and 3 shafts, as shown in the figure, is used to transmit the power of 7.5 kilowatt, that is 75,000 watt, by using the motor at A. The frequency of motor is given 30 Hz. We have to calculate couple which is to be applied on the shaft AB, CD and EF. Let us start solving it. Angular velocity of rod AB or shaft AB, we will get 2 pi into F, that is 2 pi into 30. So that is 60 radian per second. Radius of the gap B and C, as you know, it's given in the diagram. Radius of B is equal to 75 mm and that of C is 180 mm. So RV omega AB must be equal to RC omega CD. This is for gap B and C. So from here omega CD you will get RV is 75, 180 into 60 pi radian per second. Let me correct it, 60 pi. That is 25 pi radian per second. For gates D and E, we can write RD omega CD is equal to RE omega EF. So from here omega EF we will get RD upon RE. Substituting the value, RD is given 75, radius of E is given 180 and angular velocity of CD shaft is 25 pi radian per second. So it will be 10.4167 pi radian per second. Power we know. So power is defined as moment into angular velocity. Now first part, that is moment is equal to power upon watt. So for the shaft AB, it would be power, that is 7500 and angular velocity of AB is 60 pi. So couple on shaft AB we will get 39.8 Newton meter. Similarly, we can calculate for B and C. For B, couple on the shaft CD, power upon angular velocity of CD, that is 25 pi radian. So you will get 95.5 Newton into meter. And in the part C, couple on the shaft EF 7500 upon angular velocity of EF, that is 10.41675. So you will get 229 Newton into meter. That's all for it. Thanks for watching it.